In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to delete a resource group inside of Microsoft Azure. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up portal.azure.com inside of your favorite browser. And then the quickest way to do this is simply to go up to the search bar up here and then click in resource group. Once from here, you'll be able to see under services, resource groups. And once you get inside of this page right here, it should look something like this, an overview of all of your previous created resource groups. Now from here, you'll need to find the specific one that you want to delete, and from here you'll simply need to click on it. So let's delete this EST1 resource group, and from here you'll simply need to go over here to delete resource group right here. Once from here you'll be able to see this overview of where you can see all the resources that is being deleted. From here you'll need to go down to this little page down here where I can enter in the name of the resource group and just paste it in like so, and then click delete and delete confirmation. Delete like so. Once from here, you'll be able to see deleting resource group EST1, and they'll be successful in a couple seconds. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!